we are here as the local organizing committee. We have with us guests from the national team, the Uganda Cranes. We have our team captain, Mr. Torach. We have Mr. Selunjoji. We have Mr. Regan Impande and Mr. Alan Okelo with us. We have, Ahmed Hussein. He's a member of the communication subcommittee. Friday is the fourth place playoff match, which is going to be hosted again at Nambole. Number 2, because we've been co-hosting with Kenya, Tanzania, to us, Friday will be a kind of closing day. So there's going to be not just a match, but also some entertainment, a big mode of entertainment. So come, it's a Saturday, it's a Friday rather, 29th, that is when the fourth playoff match is. We want it to be a party atmosphere. We have some great entertainment by some top artists in this country. There is Jose Chameleone will be there, Navio, Tenge Tenge, PIA Sounds, etc. So please come and enjoy the entertainment, even as you're going to enjoy the match.